Hey everybody.
Hey, welcome to another episode of Prismic Talk. I'm Levi. With me as always is Phil.
Hey.
And today we've got 4 topics we want to cover, some new stuff we want to tell you about. So first up is
Integration
fields, exactly.
Yeah.
We've got some news about that. The first being that the number of items you can have in a catalog has drastically increased.
Yeah.
So the dev team has been working, and they've increased the limit to 100,000, I believe, now.
Yeah. Shout out, Raf.
Yep. So for everyone that's been wondering about increasing the limits and having bigger catalog, that is now been launched, and we can have bigger catalogs.
Yeah, it's going to really help those larger companies who try and get those things out. Also, another thing some people have been asking us about on our chat support is the warnings they might be receiving from Shopify, warning about some configuration changes through their API that we should be aware of, and to let you know, we're aware. The limit on that is the 1st of April, so unless it's an April Fool's joke, we'll be prepared anyway. So the team are working on updating that, and we're going to have that out before then. The next thing up.
The next thing is a Nuxt thing.
Aha.
So we've had some new changes, updates to the Nuxt plugin.
Yeah, that's correct. It is now a Nuxt module. So the Nuxt module was something we got involved with the team over at Nuxt, with Sebastian Chopin and also James Pegg, who was the original author of that one. This was to enable some things that weren't previously available on our own plugin. So the previews on statically deployed websites, making nice statically deployed websites, and also routing through Netlify. That's all been resolved. It's a really nice stable package. There's some sample projects out there using that now, so you can get in, have a look at those, get those uploaded onto Netlify and start testing with that and start having super fast websites available to go.
Yeah. We also updated the documentation.
That's correct.
Everything, all the resources should be up to date at this point.
Yeah.
So next, we want to talk about a couple exciting projects that we've been working on here at Prismic.
Mm-hmm.
The first is the community forum that we plan to launch soon.
Yeah. So this is the place that we are moving our concentration of support towards. When you want to contact us on the chat support, it's going to be better now to go to the forum, because we're going to be really active there. We're going to make it a real community in that sense of the word. We're going to, really involve some of the community and being moderators and having as many questions answered as fast as possible, so you can always find the history of people who might have ran into the same things as you, might have been at the same stage of you in the project, needed those same answers. It's going to be really a good place to go.
The goal was to make our support a lot more public, so you can find questions to answers to questions that might have already been asked and things like that. So that's one thing that we're excited about.
Yeah, and we're going to have some incentives during the launch period, so you can come in and get using it straight away. It'll be exciting. We'll get that up soon. The link will be in below here.
Yeah.
And then the final thing.
Slice Machine.
Why
don't you tell us about that?
Okay, this is a big project for all of us here. We've been working closely with a lot of different people, and we've all heard a lot about components recently. This seems to be a design pattern that everyone's heading towards, and we've taken advantage of that. We're having a look at this too. We've launched this project where we're making really beautiful components, accessible, customizable, easily manageable with this tool. This tool is something we've really been working hard on, and the team has prepared a beta website. So if you want to get looking at exactly what this is, see that the professionals of the community have been involved, you can sign up over there, be an early tester, and
we're going to have a link to the beta website in the description of this video.
That's correct, yeah.
So if you want to find it, that's where you look.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, I think that's everything.
Yep, that's all for today. So thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.
Cool. Bye.